Ho and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Flappy Bird game part 9. I know this is kind of getting super wrong, but it's okay. But it's okay. Yeah, that's what I will say. Okay. Um Here I am over here. Let's go to our stuff. There's a lot of bugs running around. There's a lot of bugs in our Flappy Bird game. This one, yeah. There's so much bugs that today another bug fix tutorial came. I don't know, but yeah. Today I'm having another bug fix tutorial, and oh, sorry. This, as you remember, this was a code. Uh, I just put them out. The bug fix part, I'll tell you how to fix that bug. Okay, so let's restart the game. Okay, something I don't like about the starting game, like it sometimes like just drops down and you couldn't even have a time chance to jump. And like if we are touching the button, as the button is hidden, we don't know. But if we click the button by mistake, it like again resets the game. So to prevent that, you can go to the controls, get stop all, and just change it into stop the script. Now our that bug will be fixed. We have 1,000 bugs to fix, so I kind of have to go a little fast. All right. So okay, let's just score about the nothing. Now look at it. This time the poles are gonna go waggity waggity. What is this? What the heck? Just look at thousands of poles growing and all, and this logo is kind of hidden. So let's just fix the logo first. The poles are the main thing which I wanted to fix. Let's just select. Oh, sorry. So let's just quickly make a new sprite. To fix that, we have to make a new sprite. Copy this, go to a new sprite, and then paste it. And just take it over there. Again, just do the same thing. Copy it. Sorry. Yeah, and paste it. Then go over here, copy it, and then paste it. Yeah. So this should be a little there. Yeah. And then now what you can do is just delete this from the backdrop, delete this from the backdrop, delete this from the backdrop. So now you'll get a, remember to, yeah, forgot the code. Yeah, it's about when flag clicked and when I receive game over. So it's only gonna show in when flag clicked. It should show. I know I'm kind of going a little fast. So yeah, show and game over. Hide. Hide. Where's hide? Where's hide? Where's hide? No, sorry. Show only, and hide, I'll tell you what to do. You go to our start button, broadcast start game, and when I receive start game, it's supposed to hide. Let's just do that quickly. Now we get, and remember that this should go to the front layer. Now we can see no overlapping is gonna happen. Alright, let's go. I don't want to make today's video a lot long. So now you can see I'll die. This goes on the top, so it's not being captured by that. But the pole cloning problem. I don't know the reason, but I saw. But there is a way to just look at this. In the second time, it doesn't work. To fix this, go to the sprite pool. Do not look at whatever. This was a code, as you remember, these two. So to fix that, what we want is to get an if then block, put movement controls of ground off, then we are going to stop the script. We did that in a if then else over here, right? Yeah, in a if then else, remove that if then else, only put these two over here, and then add this over here. Now it's gonna work. But The cloning in the corner will be fixed, like the 2 second blocks the if then else stop part from catching, but that problem is fixed. Now the problem is with the something like that. um the problem is that now it won't clone in the end for like about, and you can see no more cloning like that. But if we again start it, now check it, the thousands of poles on the pole line. What is this? So to fix that, what we want to do, this was a code for when I start as a clone. Just put the stop part as it was, remove the if then else, and delete clone. And now what you want to do is take this thing, wait, sorry. So what you want to do is make a new variable called trash clone, and take thing called wait until, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, I had to do something. So okay, we have to take this from the controls. No, yeah, controls, wait until, put that in the top part, trash clone equals to 1, and then delete this clone. And you can, yeah, you have to take a if then else to be extra sure. Yeah, and one thing in the start of, let's just take this out for now. In the start of the game, we have to say set trash clone to 1, wait for 5 seconds, then set trash clone to 0. Oh, sorry, yeah. So now what we want to do is take our trash clone equals to 1, delete this clone on the top. Now you can see that our bug is fixed. Now just, you have to see, wait. Now let's slowly die and start the game over. I really like this. Okay, now you can see there are not thousands of poles. There is only one pole, and you can die again. Thousands of poles won't come. That's one good thing. Otherwise, the thousands of poles like just spoils the game. No one wants to play that. Just what, like yeah, perfect. That problem is fixed. Now one thing I don't like is like what was I say? It just flings off and what the, you died. That's something that I don't like. So we can fling the guy up a little. So in the control, let's say change y by, after the wait 5 seconds, 20. Change y by 20, maybe 30. Yeah, 30. Then it is supposed to start the script. Otherwise in Flappy Bird, when you click the mouse or space, that happens. So if you want to do that, over here in the forever loop, you can say, just don't add the 30 if you're doing that. Forever loop, you can say a if then, touching mouse pointer or mouse down, touching, sorry, not touching, but mouse down or key space is pressed. We have to take a or, where not and add over here. Now what you want to do is go to controls, go to events, and take some, say, take this block called broadcast, and broadcast a message called start, sorry, start controls. Wait, what? I don't have time to do that because I'm running kind of low on time. That's pretty bad. Start controls, and remember you have to stop the script. After that, instead of stop all, you have to take stop this script, and over here we have to take a forever loop, put that inside wrapped around, and in the events when I receive start controls, yeah, then it is supposed to do that. So now you'll see, wait, but you have to wait for 5 seconds. That's kind of mean. Start. Yeah, that worked. But let's say when this hides in 3 seconds, so only till 3 seconds it's gonna be stopping that. And now what you have to do is do nothing else. You did it. Yay! We made the Flappy Bird thingy. Woo! Alright, kinda, I don't know. Did it work? Does it work? Let's just see. Alright, that doesn't work. Okay, yeah. I'll say I don't want to do much bug fixing for today. Yeah, that's it for that poll. Now we can just throw these, I don't know, piece of junk out. Alright, we did this, we did this, we did this. Alright, you don't need any of these. Yes, and the score line. As you did some bug fixing in the poll, do the same with the score line. So in the you have to say wait trash clone equals to 1, then delete this clone. Just like that, put the trash clone equals to 1, then delete this clone. Wait until, okay, this is wait until trash clone equals to 1, then delete this clone. So that is gonna, and remember this should be delete. You don't have to add anything else as the main program is happening inside the 100 times. That's it, I guess. Let's just see, does this feel like something's wrong? Something's wrong. Yeah, should do that. Yeah, that's good. Emotions, it should go to, yeah, this area. And also the same when it's there. So now what we want to do is the start button is kind of shifting its place and X should be actually 0. Why is it that? That's kind of bad. And this should be 71. Negative 71. So remember. Oh, why was I typing that slow? Yeah. I think so. Part 9 is the end. I don't know. Let's just see. Okay, our video has been pretty long. Yeah, it pretty much works. Yeah, good. Just that one small problem. uh, uh, yeah. All right. Okay, good. Not bad. I'll say not bad. This was a 9-part tutorial. Now, this is pretty good. I'll have to say that. I have shared this project and in the links I have kept my project as you can check my code. So yeah, today's video was only 30 minutes and we mostly fixed most of the bugs. So for now, bye. Oh, remember, yeah, I forgot. Check out one of these videos that YouTube is recommending and a playlist. I don't know where is it, here or here. That yeah, and do subscribe if you want. You can subscribe anytime. It's completely free. So for now, bye bye. I'll see you guys later.